have someone very, very special, someone that I'm a big fan of as well, and someone that at some stage or the other, everyone who loves sport has looked up to. Um, there's no need for a lengthy introduction, but I will give you some of the achievements of his life. Um, One of the most successful managers in the world of football, and he built and managed champion teams and coached in Europe. He's had an illustrious career as a player at Barcelona and led them to many victories, and now as a manager, he's won league titles in Spain, Germany, and England. Two Champions League titles, and the current manager of Manchester City. Yes, you guessed it right. I'm going to be speaking to Mr. Pep Guardiola. I'm a huge fan, and I can't wait for this chat. So,
Virat, do you hear me?
hi, I can, Pep. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm so glad to be the Puma family. He helped us, to meet each other. So
I know I couldn't have imagined about talking to you live on Instagram, having a conversation with you. I've been a big fan. I have watched the All or Nothing documentary about two times,
oh yeah,
and I love your mindset and the way you go about things, and manage teams that become champions and bring out the excellence in them. So this is a little bit of a fanboy moment for me, and I would like to thank you, Ma, for making this happen, uniting us in sport, which I think is a great way to connect. Be it any sport, we all can be united purely because we are sports people and we play sport.
yeah.
So I'm going ahead, and I have a set of questions for you,
Well,
which
how is
I
your
hope you
country?
find interesting.
How is India right now? About COVID and everything?
We are
How
actually
is
in
going on?
Dubai. We are in
I knew it.
Dubai.
I knew it. You are
We
in
are
Dubai because lockdown from in your country. But the info there, how is everything?
Yes, the situation is still on the way to recovery. We don't have um, as few cases as other places in the world, but
Uh,
we're getting better every day.
okay.
And we had to make our tournament happen, which was only possible in Dubai.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we are in bio bubbles, similar to you guys,
Yeah.
what you guys are going through, and that was the only way to get this IPL, which is our 2020 tournament, underway, which we're very grateful for because back home it was not possible. The
Yeah.
situation is not great at the moment.
Yeah, I understand. And are you playing in lockdown or with the spectators here in Dubai?
No, it's behind closed
Behind
doors.
closed
No
doors.
spectators allowed.
Yeah.
Only people like from the squad who can come to the stadium in the bio bubble areas, similar to what we see in your games,
Yeah.
is something that we are allowed.
Yeah.
Families are allowed to be part of bio bubble, and they can come to
Okay.
the stadium in those same areas. So yeah,
Yeah,
very
it's quite
similar, very
similar
similar situation.
like in Europe in football and other sports like NBA would happen. Okay, maybe one day.
Yes, yes,
Now Mumbai City will be part of our family in a city football
yes. I
group.
heard. Yes,
I know one person
yes.
I met here in Manchester, AJ, would be like a
Okay.
CEO there, quite similar. It's an incredible, nice guy. Maybe we'll have the chance to. I never visit India, so when this pandemic situation
Okay.
finish, would be love to go there. And the excuse for Puma, excuse from, or the argument from Mumbai City, we can travel there. And maybe if we were
Sure.
together, you invite me in a good night restaurant, you can explain me a little bit the rules from the cricket. Oh my God, it's the most difficult and complicated game. I come from Catalonia, and there the cricket is not
I know.
is not. But I came here in England. England, you know, that is an important sport. So
Yeah.
a lot of people follow, and I try to follow him,
Yes.
through the TV sometimes, or I have some friends that play, and every time explain me with the rules. So no, you have to go to the stadium, and I'm going to explain you there because it's so difficult. Because you can play 3 days in a row, finish draw. So oh my God, I have to understand it. So you
I
have to
know.
do
I
it
was
for
just
me.
speaking to
You
my
have to do it
teammates.
for me.
Absolutely, I will. I was speaking to my teammates the other day, and I said, look, football is so easy to understand. That's why everyone
Yeah,
loves it. It's so
yeah,
easy to understand. It's a fast-paced
yeah. I
game.
know.
We love playing it as well. But I said, cricket, you can play for 5 days, and then someone turns around and says, who won? And you're like, no one. And they go, why would you play for 5 days and not win? Not a result.
Oh,
So that's the bizarre thing about cricket. But those who love it, We understand
Yeah,
how
you
much we
know.
love it, but
No,
it's a
that's the
complicated
point.
sport to understand, I believe.
No, that's the point. How is beloved for millions and millions of people around the world. So and must be attractive in some way.
Yeah.
But
Yes,
of
yes,
course, to love it because you have to understand it. So I'm in this
absolutely,
process. I
absolutely.
am in this process.
Okay, wonderful. So when we meet, I'm surely going to try and explain some rules to you. But for
For
now,
sure.
it's a great honor for me to be able to talk to you and ask you a few questions. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my first question.
Good.
Manchester City is known for its attacking football. You've literally dominated. I've watched so many games. It's a pleasure to watch. You won the league with 100 points, and to come back the next season with the same drive. How do you keep this hunger alive with the team?
Virad, you know that the manager we can suggest something, but if this doesn't come from inside for every single player, you know the desire to what we have done. When you win a title, you go to take a shower and you are thinking in the next target, in the next achievement. This is the greatest athletes, the greatest team. So we are a team in the last decade making an incredible step forward, but before of that, we didn't fight for the title. So this club, since the people from Abu Dhabi took over the club, make a step. Say we want to be with United, Liverpool, Chelsea, Arsenal, Tottenham, these top teams that they were during many decades above of us, and we were there when we achieved 100 points and be consistent 2 seasons in a row. Was now the perspective when you are every day playing and competing, maybe you don't realize, but when the time goes past and we will feel that we did something incredible because in this country it's more difficult to do it, and we did it. But
Yes.
as you know, so the past is the past, and the challenges are new, and you have to move forward. But I can say, yeah, you have to do it. But if every player don't feel it, you have to do it. The managers at the end they cannot do anything else.
Yes. Yes.